こんばんは、皆さん。私はゾワネです。よろしくお願いします。
今にもたいです。Okay, go どうぞ。
はい。行きますと go, 来ますと come.
Ay, ma'am, wag mong
Tsukuri.
babasahin ha.
Wag ko basahin.
Oh, hindi mo babasahin. Recitation, ma'am. Walang basa.
Okay po.
Okay, go.
Ah, ikimasu to go. Kimasu to come. Tsukurimasu to cook. To make. Hanashimasu to speak. Ito. Benkyoshimasu to study. Akimasu to open. Shimimasu to close. Nomimasu to drink. Tabimasu to eat. Hatarakimasu to work. Tsukaimasu to use. Kakimasu to write. Kikimasu to hear. Yomimasu to read. Sentakoshimasu to get laundry.
Okay.
Tomimasu to stop. Sanposhimasu to walk, to take a walk. Okurimasu to send. Dashimasu to submit. Asobimasu to play. Mimasu to watch. Nemasu to sleep. Okimasu to get up. Yasumimasu to take a holiday.
Meron pang ano, ma'am.
Ilan na sensei? Ilan pa po?
Meron pa pong 100.
Ay, grabe naman.
Hindi, 10 pa, 10.
Suimasu to smoke. Torimasu to take. Araimasu to wash. Hala, sensei, hindi ko na yata mailalaban yung pito.
Wala na ba? Hindi na kaya?
Nagising ako bigla pero nakalimutan ko lahat.
Nalimutan na. Then, okay. To sit down?
Suwarimasu.
Ano yung to stand up?
Tatemasu.
To put, ano yung to put?
Torimasu.
To put, ilagay, ma'am. To put.
Totte.
Hindi. Ano yun eh, to remasyon, to remove yun, or to pass.
Tupot sensei. Kasi pagka sinabi
Okimas, ma'am, to put.